Open the box and remove the device cover. You will see all the following accessories. Remove the cover. Plug in the device. Turn the switch on. The device needs to be reset when powered on for the first time. Press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds. Until the red light starts flashing rapidly, indicating that the device has been reset successfully. Open the Wi-Fi setting. Check your device UID. Find the Wi-Fi called BlinkXXXX. Enter the password. Wait for the Wi-Fi to connect. Open the Lizvie Pro application. The camera will automatically switch to the video page. How do I connect to my home network? 1. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. 2. Click on network information. 3. Click Wi-Fi Manager. 4. Find your Wi-Fi. 5. Click on Password and enter your Wi-Fi password. 6. Click Apply and wait for the device to connect to the network. The page will jump to the device monitoring screen. Wait for the prompt Wi-Fi settings successfully. How to use the remote control? Switch the device to remote mode. Take out the remote. The insulation tab needs to be removed before using the remote control for the first time. Note: remote control, black-white, shipped randomly. Press on once, wait for red light to flash rapidly. Device starts emitting Wi-Fi. Connect to the network on the application. Device video goes online. Press off once. All indicators on device go off. How to connect the battery? Plug in the battery connection cable. Turn on the device. Red light on, battery powered. Plug in the power cord. And the green light will turn on, indicating that the battery is charging. How to insert a TF card? Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.